Elon Musk has jumped into the AI race. He has officially launched a sort of challenge to OpenAI and its artificial intelligence chatbot GPT with the creation of his latest company xAI. As you know, Elon Musk is already a CEO of Tesla and SpaceX and also owns Twitter. He is now in AI race and saying that he will bring reality closer to the artificial intelligence. The xAI team, led by Elon Musk himself and staffed by executives and employees from Google's DeepMind, Microsoft, and Tesla, will be taking the question in Twitter Spaces this Friday. The company's website, as you can see on your screen, says that it is actively recruiting experienced engineers and researchers. Musk, who was initially involved in the creation of OpenAI, has since publicly expressed concerns over the technology and called for a halt to training powerful AI models. It is quite an exciting turn of events because we really need some competition in the generative AI space and we need lot more liberty and regulation around it. xAI developing a truth generating AI that is anti-woke. So let's see what it turns out to be. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.